6 best whiteboard animation YouTube channel ideas. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I am going to be showing you 6 best whiteboard animation YouTube channels that you should check out if you want to create animation videos, and if you're using Videoscribe or Doodly, and if you want to create a YouTube channel and you have no idea what kind of video you should create, then this video is going to be for you. So let's get into it. First, we have a YouTube channel named Paddy Galloway, which is a very famous YouTube channel. You can see it has 442k subscriber. What happens on Paddy Galloway channel is that this is actually a channel where this YouTuber, he breaks down different, ideas by different YouTubers, and he kind of like adds, for instance, you can see how Mr. Beast's Squid Game broke YouTube. He kind of like gets into the analysis of different YouTube videos and YouTubers, and he shows what they are making and how much money they made and what was the idea behind that YouTube channel. So you can see with this, he's not even showing his face. All he's doing is he's actually creating these videos where he creates this, he adds footage, of course, photos and videos, and then some of the animation. So let me play a video for you guys really quickly, just a little bit to give you an overview. You can see this is the kind of video he is creating. And with this video, we can see a lot of whiteboard animation involved. So you can create a YouTube channel like this where you can just show what's happening and you don't even have to show your face. And the good thing about this channel is that there are not much videos. There are not a lot of videos here, but still he is making a lot of money because the views are like in millions. You can see right here we have like 3.8 million, 4.3, and he has also collaborated with all of these very big names such as Mr. Beast, and then we have like Logan Paul and others. So yeah, you can see this is actually a really good YouTube channel that you should check out if you want to create animation videos or create this type of videos. You can use Videoscribe or Doodly, and you don't even have to show your face and get views. The next channel is going to be Practical Psychology. So this is a channel which is actually an educational channel. Here you will be able to find different videos on different topics. For instance, experiment, biases, definition, and examples. What is a double-blind study? So this is purely an educational channel, and when it comes to animation and whiteboard animation videos, you will actually find a lot of different educational YouTube channels, and this is one of them. You can see a very famous channel with 2.15 million subscribers, and if I show you the videos, let's actually play this one. You can see a pure whiteboard animation. You can see this is the video, and we can create exactly these type of videos with Videoscribe or Doodly. So you can see you can use any whiteboard animation platform to create such videos. So you can see a pure whiteboard animation video has been created here, and this is what this channel creates, and they have 2.15 million subscribers. You can also use these platforms. You can use Doodly, you can use Animaker to create such videos. These videos are mostly from 5 to 10-minute videos, and you can see they're making a lot of money with this, getting a lot of views. They have like more than 2 million subscribers. So this is actually a pretty good example for you. You can check out and get inspiration from this channel right here. Next, we have 2-Minute Classroom, another animation video platform, a YouTube channel which creates whiteboard animation and 2D or 3D animation videos, educational videos. Again, as I said before, educational channels use this kind of animations because it's actually more effective to show something and to visually represent an idea rather than just, giving a lecture. So this is the kind of videos that do pretty well in this niche. And when it comes to 2-Minute Classroom, that means they actually create videos which are 1 to 2 minute or maximum 3-minute video. So they explain an idea in just 2 minutes with these very eye-catching and engaging animations. So it's again a very simple animation that is being created here, and you can use any kind of animation platform to create 2 to 3 minute video. Of course, this channel is a success. It has 100k subscribers right here and is getting a lot of different views. It has a lot of videos with over 300k views, and you will be able to see the other channels too. So you can see this is a pretty good example of a whiteboard animation channel. If I show you their intro, you can see. So you can see this is the whiteboard animation. how a pen is writing something, and this is actually, it seems like it has been created with Doodly or maybe Videoscribe. So you can see right here, you can create a video like this using any of the platform for free. So number 4 on the list, we have Teachings in Education, another educational channel that creates whiteboard animation. So you can go to Teachings in Education. It has 200k subscribers, and it has a lot of different educational videos that we can see. It's a very simple whiteboard animation videos. So you will be able to see if I play this one right here. With this channel, again, a very simple whiteboard animation is being used, not much complicated, not much of a footage, only the voiceovers, and we can see the videos. So you can see this is the type of video. They create videos on simple concepts and give examples on that so that people can actually learn, especially students. You will be able to find videos in all of the different niches here, in different categories on different subjects, and they're teaching through this method, which is a visual method of showing different concepts with animation. So you can see Teachings in Education. It is quite similar to what we saw on 2-Minute Classroom and the other channel. So you can see another educational channel that you should check out if you want to get an inspiration for whiteboard animation. 5th on the list, we have TED Education. Well, this is actually a really famous platform that creates animation videos. It's actually not just whiteboard animation here. You will be able to find 3D animation videos, and it's actually one of the most successful channel out there that creates animation videos. So you can use Animaker, Doodly, Videoscribe to create such videos. So TED Ed actually has 18.3 million subscribers here, and their each video has like more than 1 million views. We also have videos with like 26 million, 27 million. So this is actually a really successful channel in animation niche. What they do is they educate students and people on different concepts. For instance, you can see right here, Ice Age, Mummy is Frozen in Time, how to manage your emotions. So these kind of videos actually do pretty well. The length of the video they create is mostly between 5 to 10 minutes, not much, mostly actually under 5 minutes. So with just a 5-minute video, they're getting 10 million views, 20 million views, which is insane. It's a simple animation platform. They're not showing any face here. It's a faceless channel, yet making a lot of money. So you can see right here, it's actually one of the most successful animation platform out there. It also has some of the TED Talks here given, but the main concept of this channel is educating people with different visual animations so that they can learn simple concepts. So you can go ahead and check out the animations here, and then you can use any animation platform to create these kind of animations. Last but not the least, we have the Swedish Investor. Well, when it comes to YouTube, one of the niches that has higher CPM is finance. So if you want to create finance videos, you must think that there should be a person talking about it. Well, that's not the case. You can check out the Swedish Investor. This channel has 700k plus subscribers, and what they do is they create these finance videos, and they give you these finance ideas, investing ideas, and show you the different concepts right here with animation. So there's no face on this channel, and we're getting simple animations that are being created, footage being used, very simple videos, and it is a successful channel. It has videos with over 1 million of views. You can see this one actually has 3.4 million views here. The length of these videos are from 10 to 20 minutes, and some videos are even over 20 minutes, and these are actually making a lot of money because the finance niche actually has higher CPM. So you can even create videos like this and create animations. You can add different characters. For instance, this video is actually a really good example of what's happening on this channel. So yeah guys, these are the 6 channels that you should check out if you want to create an animation video, and if you're looking to create animation or whiteboard animation channel. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.